Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to download Instagram videos to your iPhone and actually save the videos to your camera roll. Really easy and simple to do. It does not require any jailbreak or anything like that. It's actually an application in your app store. So all you have to do is head over to your app store and you just want to search for Inst Down, so INST down, and you just want to scroll down till you see this application right here, just with the black play button and everything like that, and you just want to click on download. And then this application will quickly download for you. In the meantime, when that's downloading, you can just head over to your Instagram application and you can open that up. And you can just head over to your accounts and you can just go and search for a page that you want to download the pictures of or from. So you can just go ahead and search, let's just say Apple, and we'll just search for their page. And we can download anything that is on a public page. So as long as the page is public, we're all good to go and we can download it. So we'll just take this video here, for example, really quickly. We want to go up to the dots in the top right corner, click on those and click on copy link. And then we could exit out of this, head over to Inst Down, open that up. And then we can click on don't allow or allow. If we want notifications, I'll just click on don't allow. And you'll actually notice that the link that you copied is already pasted in there. So all you have to do at this point is click on the download button right to the side. And then it'll just ask for access to your photos. So you want to go ahead and click OK just to allow it to copy to your camera roll. And as you can see there, it says save to camera roll. So we can actually exit out of here and head back over to photos. And we'll notice right there, the video is downloaded in our camera roll. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.